Hello and welcome to my channel. After Java 7, it is possible to shorten the syntax used to create an instance of generic type. Creating instance before Java 7 was like this. Here, the arguments are specified twice. First, when object is declared, and second, when a sample class instance is created via new. Since generics were introduced in Java 5, this is the form required by all versions of Java prior to Java 7. In the new class, the type of the arguments can be readily inferred from the type of object. So there is really no reason that they need to be specified a second time. Therefore, in Java 7, a syntactic element was added that lets you to avoid the second specification. Instance creation portion simply uses diamond, which is an empty type argument list. It will tell the compiler to infer the type arguments needed by the constructor in the new expression. The principal advantage of this type inference syntax is that it shortens what are sometimes quite long declaration statements. Type inference can also be applied to parameter passing. Here, the type arguments for the argument passed to isEqual method can be inferred from the parameter's type.